Really good. Whoa, that's hot. Okay, that's hot. Got to be extremely careful so you don't burn yourself. Hi guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video. You guys, today what we have before you, are you truly doing good? That's what's up. So first of all, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers. I hope this content is enough to have you come and hit that bell and support the channel. I would love to meet you. Make sure you leave a comment below. And yes, by all means, I am no professional, but I definitely love the kitchen. You guys, so today we have a pork shoulder. You guys, I had caught it on sale. And so, yes, it was a $24, pork shoulder. And your girl wanted to represent it and show people how they can, well, this is one way you can make it. So yes, I caught it for $8, and this right here will make a delicious meal, whether you have it in a sandwich, along with a pickle. If you like corned beef and you like pulled pork, you're gonna love this smoked shoulder in your oven recipe, you guys. So yeah, what we have is we have some olive oil, we have some meat tenderizer. We also have some smoky Kingsford original all-purpose seasoning, and we got some liquid smoke. Now this will all be put onto this shoulder, and we're gonna bake it off, and it's gonna make a delicious, sandwich. Okay, a sandwich, because that's what your girl had intentions for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little olive oil on here because it's gonna help the seasoning stick, and we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a lot of seasoning on here. A lot. Right? Be light if you know you have certain medical issues. And yes, let's get this meat tenderizer on here, because it's going to make it nice and juicy. Yes, okay? And we're just going to rub it on in. And yes, my hands are clean. I'm going to rub that on in here, you guys, and get it all over here. Now, when it comes to this side, I always keep the skin on for the purpose of, the fatty part, because it's going to give it its juice, okay? It's going to give it its juice. So, yeah, don't get right on in there and season this right on up. Now, I know most of y'all say, oh, she got her jewelry on. It's nasty. You guys, I'm sorry, but I'm only showing you what I'm cooking, you guys. That's it. That's all I'm doing is showing you. And yes, I feel like your opinion is valuable somewhat. But until I cook at your house, until you invite me to dinner, it is what it is. Hold on. Let's get my hands into this. I got me some fresh water over here because this can get messy. Okay? This can get messy. And we're going to put up some more seasoning right in here, because we want flavor all over there. Just all in there. And we're just going to rub it on in, because everything is going to get seasoned. Yes. Now this is how I enjoy it. And we got us some onions right here, you guys. And that's gonna have a season itself. Okay, so let me get me a knife so I can punch me some holes in here. Okay. Okay, so I'll get the biggest knife that I have. Where is one of them? We're just gonna go ahead just like so and put us some holes in there. So I know you say, now what is that for? So when I put this smoke in here, I don't want to waste not, you know, because we want to cook it so that this bone right here, this bone, now if I had one of those things, you know, to inject the flavor through there, I would, but I don't have one. So your girl gotta go this way, and it's okay. Cause we putting up some liquid smoke up in here. Cause we're gonna bake this off. You guys, let me get my pan, cause I don't want to waste it. So we have our pan right here, and we just gonna flip it, just like so. And we're gonna put it on in here, open this on up. Okay. Okay, all of that is gone. Let me wash my hands and get rid of this. Okay, so we got that going. I want to rub that on in, get the liquid smoke on in here. This is going to be so delicious. Let's turn it this way. That way. I mean, I could use a bigger thing, but that's all we're going to do. And we're going to put up some onions, just like so, all in here. This is just a simple, easy, you know, recipe for some quick sandwiches. We're going to leave the onions up in here, just like so, to help the flavor, you know. Let me get me a little water, because I want to put a little water around it. We're going to put us a little water around it. Not much. I'm going to make sure it's getting in there. And up under our meat. Just like so. Okay. Let me boil it, because we're going to put it in the oven, because these take a couple of hours to cook. You can put vinegar on there if you like. I just don't prefer the taste of vinegar. So I think I'm okay with cook it, you know. So yeah. So we're just gonna go on here. I'm gonna slide this in. And we're gonna let this cook for a couple of hours, you guys. And I'll see you then. Okay, guys, we have pulled our butt roast. I mean, not butt roast. Pork shoulder out. And we got some nice caramelized onions. We got the brownness going on. So we know it's good and tender. We know. Now, in this shoulder, you guys, let me bring it around because it's still kind of warm. You will notice you have a bone right here, right? And yeah, you know, this is warm, so your girl needs to get her something to hold this down and study because I want to pull this bone out. Okay, that ain't gonna work. I don't know, I never be ready when I'm doing a video. So yeah, we want to get down in there. Look how tender this is. You guys, look how tender this is. You hear all the juices. And this bone is right in here. And it's been in my fork. Okay, you see how clean that bone is? This just happened to be a big boy. This one is a big boy. And believe it or not, the bone is really not. There we go. But once we get this bone out, we are ready to let this sit and shred. I am trying not to burn myself, you guys, because I'm working with very fresh out the oven meat. I don't know which way this bone is going, and that's the thing about it. So let's cut around it. There we go. Just had to get in there and cut around it. And it's coming off this really good. Whoa, that's hot. Okay, that's hot. Got to be extremely careful so you don't burn yourself. Because I'm actually showing you guys when it comes straight out the oven, you guys. Most people wait till they cool, but your girl didn't do that. Whoa. Because today, you guys, it's my mom's birthday. And there we go. We have brought the bone out. And you pretty much have a clean bone. You guys, you want to remove that out of there. Because at this point, you have nothing but meat. Let me clean this up right here. At this point, you have nothing but meat. And what I like to do is I like to take it and I flip it. I will flip it over. And let it soak in some of the juices. Just like that. See that fat coming right off it? Some people like to shred it and keep the fat. Me, myself, think that the fat adds a touch to whatever you're doing, whether it's sandwiches or what. And yeah. So, there you have it. Nothing but meat and its juices. And we're gonna, yeah, I done been before it. Have nothing but meat, you guys. And I'm gonna let this cool for a minute before I get off into this. So we're gonna end this video because I want to show you guys on the next video what I will be doing with this roast. I mean, forgive me again, this shoulder. So I am going to get ready to close this video out. And I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. You guys, thumbs this video straight up. Bye-bye.